Hey everyone, Brandon here from Patio Pleasures in Sun Prairie. Today we're going to be doing a cleanse on our swim spa here. Essentially we're going to be draining it because it's going out for a delivery later this week. Our total cleanse product here is a purple material that we'll put in. You put in about 1 teaspoon per every 125 gallons into whatever tub or body of water that you're cleaning. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the filter is out. So we're going to remove our first jet pack to the right of our spa control panel. We're going to pull up on this, and then in here is going to be our filter. We're going to pull this on out of here just to get this out of there so it's not in while we're doing our cleanse. What we're going to do, we're going to unlock the control panel and we're going to verify that the temperature of the water is above 95 degrees. So again, for this product, we're going to use about 1 tablespoon filled for every 125 to 100 gallons. So being this size of body of water, we're going to use about this whole tub. So we're going to scoop some of this out. Ideally, you don't want to get in your hands, so using just a plastic spoon or something like that. And we're going to put that into the water and turn the jets on. Shake it off of there, let it float around. There we go. With the product now in the spa, we're going to let it do a full jet cycle, which is anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes depending on your spa. Now that we've ran our full jet cycle, you can tell there's a lot of foam that's built up in the tub. We're going to go in back and just turn off our breaker to make sure there's no power going to the swim spa or spa that you're working on.
And now we're going to pump the water out.
So as the spa is now draining, or the swim spa here, we're going to be rinsing off the corners of the spa where you can see some buildup of that grime from the foam that was in there. So we want to rinse that down with the water that we're draining, each corner, each side.